read your mind. And every laugh, a perfect rhyme. You never rush, you take your time, and somehow make the chaos kind. I used to drift from day to day. You're the reason I wanna stay. You bring the light without the sun, the quiet when the race is run. I never knew I could feel free just lying still with you near me. You're not the storm, you're the breeze that lifts me up with gentle ease. If love's a song, then you're the part that keeps the tempo of my heart. You fold your thoughts like paper cranes, leave notes on mugs and window panes. Your love's not loud, but it's complete, like dancing slow with steady feet. I don't need more, I just need this, the kind of calm that comes with bliss. You bring the light without the sun, the quiet when the race is run. I never knew I could feel free just lying still with you near me. You're not the storm, you're the breeze that lifts me up with gentle ease. If love's a song, then you're the part that keeps the tempo of my heart. We don't need fire in the sky, just a glance as you walk by. You bring the light without the sun, the quiet when the race is run. And I don't care what comes ahead, you're the peace inside my head. You're not the storm, you're the breeze that makes my restless moments cease. If this is love, then let it grow just a little closer, take it slow. Just a little closer, take it slow. Just a little closer, take it slow. We were kids with a spark and a skyline dream, hands in the wind chasing gasoline. Told the world we'd never break, hearts too loud, too wild to fake. Every fall just made us stronger, every night just pulled us closer. We weren't made to stay in line, we were always built to fly. We were built to fly, not to crawl, not to hide, with the stars in our eyes and the fire inside. Let the world pass us by, we'll be dancing in the sky. We were never meant to stay, we were built to fly. Took the long roads, chased the wrong signs, fell in love at the worst time. But even when we hit the ground, we never stayed.